Flirting around with the 25,900 mark for the Nifty. You're watching us here on Trading Hour, and this is from the FNO desk. If you look at the frontline indices, the Nifty underperforming, the Nifty Bank falling even more. And if we have the mid-cap index, the broader markets would tell you that the portfolios are hurting. The only index which is outperforming right now on account of the weaker rupee is the IT pack. And we had Rima tell us that in the last segment as well. Remember, the IT index has been an underperformer, but now moving off lows with the additional benefit coming in on the weaker rupee. So we have the top, names like Wipro, TCS, Infosys, all of them doing particularly well. But another, sector which gets impacted by a weaker rupee are the PSU space. So you look at the SBI stock, BEL, NTPC, and in that the PSU banks in particular even more so, because that has a correlation with the bond prices. The bond prices fall when the rupee weakens, the bond yields rise, and that impacts their mark-to-market books as well on the overall performance. So we have Indian Bank, PNB, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, all of them selling off fairly sharply. The important levels to watch out for: Nifty just below the 20-day moving average at 25,922. The Nifty Bank at 58,771, about 100 point away from the 20-day moving average. Can we hold on to these levels and close above them? That's what the bulls would want. And as far as the options data is concerned, tells you that on the markets above 26,000, there is a fair amount of supply. And these are options that expire next Tuesday. So 114 rupees on the 26,000 call in terms of premium, 1.8 crore shares outstanding, a crore and a half added today itself, telling you upwards of 26,100, there could be supply for the market. But at lower levels, there is some support around 25,800. Why do I say that? Because the 25,900 put also seen a fair amount of writing at around 1 crore shares outstanding open interest, 100 rupees in premium. So 25,800 to 26,100 is the broad range that the street is working with for the very near term.
All right, Mangalam, thanks for bringing us that update. We have with us